Starching your jeans can transform them from casual to professional attire, and you can easily do it at home. Start by pre-washing your jeans to remove any spots or stains. Then fill a container with cold water and make a starch paste by combining 1.5 tablespoons, 14 grams of cornstarch, and 2 cups, 475 milliliters of water to form a milky paste. Add the paste to the water and let your jeans soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, hang them to dry. If you want to iron your jeans, do so when they are slightly damp. Avoid using the dryer on starched jeans to prevent shrinkage. Keep in mind that soaking your jeans in cornstarch water will make them very stiff, but you can also use store-bought liquid starch to achieve an even stiffer result. When washing your jeans, add the store-bought starch during the last rinse cycle, after making sure the water level is high enough to cover the jeans. Finally, dry your jeans, ironing them just before they dry completely to set the creases.